First question: who is the author of the book Q&A on which the Slumdog Millionaire is based? Option A: Vikas Swamp. Option B: Salman Rushdie. Option C: Taslima Nasrin. Option D: Anita Sud. Correct answer is option A: Vikas Swamp. Second question: the present governor of RBI is option A: KC Reddy. Option D: Subbarao. Option C: Kiran Karnik. Option D: Deepak Parekh. Correct answer is option B: D. Subbarao. Third question: who has been judged as Business Person of the Year 2008 by the Times of India survey? Option A: Mukesh Ambani. Option B: Rahul Bajaj. Option C: Aditya Birla. Option D: Ratna. Correct answer is option D: Ratna. Fourth question: what will happen to the temperature of a closed room if the refrigerator inside is switched with its door kept open? Option A: it will fall. Option B: it will rise. Option C: it will be constant. Option D: it will fluctuate. Correct answer is option B: it will rise. Fifth question: the sun and the moon appear elliptical near horizontal due to option A: interference, option B: illusion, option C: diffraction, option D: refraction. Correct answer is option D: refraction. Sixth question: which one of the following is the leading producer of natural rubber? Option A: South America. Option B: Southeast Asia. Option C: South Africa. Option D: South Australia. Correct answer is option B: Southeast Asia. Seventh question: the famous rock cut temples at Elephanta are ascribed to the option A: Pallavas, option B: Cholas, option C: Rashtrakuts, option D: Chalukyas. Correct answer is option D: Chalukyas. Eighth question: which oil seed occupies the dominant position in total oil seed production in India? Option A: groundnut. Option B: mustard. Option C: linseed. Option D: soybean. Correct answer is option A: groundnut. Ninth question: which of the mixed doubles tennis matches was won by Sania Mirza along with Mahesh Bhupati? Option A: Australian Open 2009. Option B: US Open 2009. Option C: South Africa Tennis Open 2009. Option D: none of the above. Correct answer is option A: Australian Open 2009. Tenth question: the biggest island in Indian Ocean is option A: Madagascar, option B: Maldives, option C: Sumatra, option D: Lakshadweep. Correct answer is option A: Madagascar.